Good evening. Hi, everybody. My full name is Soriana Betsaida Córdoba Araujo. I am 39 years old. I live in the city in Leticia, Amazonas. This city is located in the south of Colombia. I am a student at UNAT. I am finishing my degree program in English as a foreign language. Okay, next I will talk about the assignment topic. First, I can say that looking at the two images, I observed that in the past, children had fun in a healthier way. For example, if we see this image, we can see some children laughing and having fun. I suppose they are riding their skateboards, and we can see their smiles and how they enjoy of this activity together. While if we look at the other image of these children, we can say that each of them is looking at a tablet and also at a cell phone, and it is evident that the interaction between them is not good and also is not good for their health. And they only focus on themselves and their phones and their tablets. For me, that is no good for children because they need to interact with other people. They need to interact with the society. Okay, continue with the explanation. I agree more with this option. For example, I agree with this image because I like the way that the children are playing. They show their joy. It is evident. I think they are happy because they are interacting with their friends, and also this is beneficial for them. I believe this kind of activities allows them to develop in a properly way. They will develop their intelligence in different levels. Finally, I believe that these types of outdoor activities, like this one, are beneficial for children, while it does not mean that being or playing in a technological equipment is completely bad. No, that's not the reason. The thing is that technology often makes children stay away from society, and children will interact little. Also, we need to be careful because sometimes the excess of use can cause on children some diseases. That is a real situation in the in the society. Okay, that is the final of the explanation. See you in the next time. Bye.